Can you walk across the sky? This is Amanohashidate, a natural sandbar stretching across the sea, covered in 8,000 pine trees. It is also called the bridge to heaven. Legend says, if you view it upside down, it looks like a dragon flying in the sky. There are 2 scenic viewpoints on either sides. I took the chair car and it was totally worth it. You can walk, bike or take a boat across this sandbar. There are temples, local snacks and cozy cafes nearby. Take your time and spend a day here. This is Amanohashidate, one of Japan's 3 scenic views.